Inside the Food and Drug Administration, there was a medical officer named Curtis Wright. He was the official responsible for reviewing and approving OxyContin. What happened next was impossible without him. Purdue executives rented a room near Curtis Wright's office. They camped there for 3 days. Together they helped draft the FDA's own review of their drug, the regulator and the company writing the approval together. And Curtis Wright delivered. The FDA approved OxyContin, with a label that said the drug was believed too close to zero addiction risk. This was approved and believed without any clinical studies, and without any hard evidence. Just a vague sentence that Purdue later used to sell billions of dollars worth of pills. 14 months after approving the drug, Curtis Wright left the FDA. He went to work for Purdue Pharma. His salary was $370,000 a year. But Curtis Wright wasn't the only door that opened for the Sacklers. As OxyContin sales exploded through the late 1900s and early 2000s, Purdue began donating heavily to political campaigns. They donated to both parties, strategically, and their goal was never ideology of any political party. Their reason for donation was protection. Whoever wins, that's why they donated on both parties. In 2007, when Purdue finally faced a federal trial, they hired Rudy Giuliani's consulting firm, Giuliani Partners, paying millions to manage their legal exposure and lobby on their behalf. And in 2016, Congress passed a law called Ensuring Patient Access and Effective Drug Enforcement Act of 2016. This act effectively stripped the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, of its most powerful tool to pursue dangerous pill distributors. Before 2016, if DEA noticed any drug is being sold to people in vast quantity, and that could have addictiveness on people or imminent danger to people, they could have stopped the supply of that drug immediately with a phone call. This action was called emergency brake. The 2016 law changed the definition of imminent danger. It made the legal bar complicated and so difficult, requiring proof of a substantial likelihood of an immediate threat of death, that it became almost impossible for the DEA to use their emergency brake. It turned a phone call stop into a years-long legal battle. The pharmaceutical industry spent millions lobbying for this act for years. Finally, in 2016, Sacklers made it happen. It passed both the House and the Senate with almost no one speaking against it. Sacklers took the referee off the field, and that they were free to keep their machine running. Every time a door should have closed on the Sacklers, someone with power quietly held it open, and behind that open door, something catastrophic was building.